Do you need to sign out of Adobe Creative Cloud on your computer? Whether you're switching accounts or logging out of a shared device, here's how to do it. Logging out of Creative Cloud disconnects your Adobe account from that device and can help if you're troubleshooting account or licensing issues. Start by opening the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop application on your computer. If the app isn't already open, search for Creative Cloud from your Start menu on Windows or Applications folder on Mac. Once Creative Cloud opens, look toward the upper right corner of the window. Click on your profile picture or account icon. A menu will appear with several account options. Select Sign Out from the list. Adobe may ask you to confirm that you want to sign out. If prompted, go ahead and confirm. After a few moments, you'll be logged out of Creative Cloud and any Adobe apps connected to that account. If you need to switch accounts, you can simply sign back in with a different Adobe ID. If you're signed in to a Creative Cloud on too many devices, signing out of an unused device can free up an activation slot for another computer. And that's it. You've successfully logged out of Adobe Creative Cloud. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe for more tech tutorials like this.